Look at the night sky. That pale, glowing disk isn't just a satellite. It is the anchor of our existence. Without the moon, Earth wouldn't just be darker. It would be a chaotic, unrecognizable hellscape. Strip away our moon, and the first thing you notice is the silence. No tides. The oceans, once rhythmic and life-giving, would turn stagnant. Marine ecosystems would collapse in months. But the true horror lies in the sky. Without the moon to stabilize our tilt, Earth becomes a wobbling top. Our axial tilt, currently locked at a steady 23 degrees, would swing wildly like a drunken pendulum. 1 century, the poles would bake under a vertical sun. The next, they would freeze into an eternal, lightless night. Civilization as we know it would be erased. But what if we replaced it? What if, in our cosmic desperation, we captured an asteroid belt? What if Earth gained rings? Visualize it. A shimmering, razor-sharp halo of ice and pulverized rock encircling our equator. At first, it looks like a masterpiece of the gods. But rings aren't static. They are a death sentence. A planetary ring system would cast a permanent shadow across the tropics. Entire regions would plunge into freezing, perpetual twilight. The light reflected from the rings would destroy our ability to measure time, erasing the cycles that govern all biology. More terrifyingly, the rings would act as a gravitational slingshot. Debris would constantly rain down upon the surface. Imagine a constant, apocalyptic meteor shower. Every day, small rocks would strike the atmosphere, burning up as constant, blinding flares. Larger chunks would hit the surface, turning cities into impact craters. The moon is not just a rock. It is a shield, a metronome, and a guardian. It holds our oceans, our climate, and our sanity in a delicate, gravitational grip. We look at the moon and see a lonely companion. But the reality is far more fragile. We are living in a perfectly calibrated accident. Remove the moon, and you don't just lose the tide. You lose the leash that keeps this planet from tearing itself apart. We aren't just sitting on a rock in space. We are balanced on a knife's edge. And tonight, that knife is perfectly still. But for how long? When the moon finally drifts away, as it is doing right now, inch by inch, the silence will return. And Earth will finally be left to the mercy of the void.